Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is mushroom culture. Mushroom is a fungi producing a fleshy fruiting body, especially one consisting of a stalk with the umbrella cap. It has two-part cap-like structure is known as a pilus. Attached with the thread-like a structure is called mycelia. Mycelia absorb nutrient from the soil. It do not require sunlight for their growth. Types of mushroom. There is some kind of mushroom: oyster mushroom, straw mushroom, reishi mushroom, anokitic mushroom, shikitic mushroom, wood air mushroom. White mushroom are the most popular mushroom, which buttons represent all 90% of mushroom consumed in the United States. Cremini, also known as the baby bellus or the brown cremies, are similar in the appearance of the white, but they have light tan to the rich brown cap and the film textures. Portobello, a large relative Criminis portobells, have tan or brown cap and measure up to 6 inches in the diameter. Shitik, Shitik are the tan of the dark brown and have both umbrella shaped caps, wide open vials and the tan gills and curved stems, and that should be removed. Oyster. Oyster can be grey, pale yellow, and even blue with the velvetily textured. Anoki have the tiny button-shaped caps and the long spiny stems. And the beach mushrooms are the peptile, either all white and light brown caps. Mytic appears ripening and the fan shaped without caps, and they are also called as the hand of woods. Structure of mushroom. Cap, here is showing the cap and the scalpels, and the in the middle rings, which is called the annulus, and the in front in the cap of there is showing gills, which is the lining types layers, which is called limbs and which is called in lamella. And here is showing stems. Here is the stem, and this is the cup, and this is the mycelia thread, which is mycelia provide the water and the nutrients from the soil. Nutritional value. Protein. Most mushrooms have a high protein content, usually around 20 to 30% by the dry weight. Fibers help lower cholesterol and it is important for the digestive system. Vitamin D essential for the absorption of the calcium, copper. And this help the body and they absorb oxygen and they create red blood cells. So it will be increase the RBC. Selenium and the antioxidant that helps to neutralize free radicals, thus preventing cell damage and reducing the risk of cancer and the other disease. Mushroom contain more selenium than any other from the produce. Potassium, an extremely important mineral that regulate food pressure and that keep cell functioning properly. Other important minerals are the phosphorus, zinc, and magnesium. Low level of fats are calories and sodium, and they have no cholesterol. Here is the showing how to do the mushroom culture. Types. In our next session, I will told you how to do this mushroom culture. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This version is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.